California. The sun is always shining bright. People are smiling, making plans, hiding behind their shades, and you're doing the same.
Hey friends, welcome to my 2020 Summer Clean and Decorate with me. I'm so excited to share this video with you guys. I think this is my favorite Clean and Decorate with me I have done so far. I kept it super simple in the kitchen and the dining room. I did a lemon theme with some greenery. Super excited. I am going to be showing you guys everything that I got to do the decorating. The first part of this video is going to be the clean with me, and then the second part is going to be the decorating. So about halfway through this video, I will go ahead, show you all the decorations, everything I'm using. I'll tell you where it's from, and then we will get into the decorating part. But I'm starting off here in my kitchen, just taking everything off the countertops, and I'm just so excited to share this summer clean and decorate with you guys. I hope this video brings you guys some summer decor inspiration for your home. Let me know down in the comments if you guys are decorating for summer.
Remember when you told me you believe in something and you said you're done pretending that fate is patient. Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back when you're older. Go find a place where you can't be the victim. And come back when you're older. Go catch the storm within your broken bones. And be wild, 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 wild.
I actually filmed this video yesterday, which was Memorial Day, so I hope you guys all had a really fun weekend. Let me know down in the comments what you guys did or if you did anything at all, and just thank you if you're watching, and if you have somebody who has fought for our freedom or have someone still serving, just thank you so much to you and your family, and I hope you guys all had a really, really nice holiday.
Summer's end, and you feel that this is your beginning. Will colors fade, but it's okay. There is good in changes. Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back when you're older. Go find a place where you can't be the victim. And come back when you're older. Go catch the storm within your broken bones. And be wild, 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 wild.
So if you guys are familiar with my channel, you can probably tell that I chopped off all of my hair. My hair used to be probably, I don't even know, maybe 6 inches longer than it is right now. I decided to go ahead and chop it, and I absolutely love it, especially for the summertime. It makes it just easy to throw up on those hot days. You guys all know that my husband is a professional motocross racer. We literally just got back from a race yesterday, or technically like really early this morning, but it was so hot all weekend, and I was so thankful the entire time that I chopped my hair right before it, because it made everything way less hot, and especially having a toddler and having to hold her while he's racing and like trying to watch and stuff, it just makes my life so much easier. But next we're going to go ahead and go over here to the island and just clear everything off. In the kitchen, I'm basically just doing like a nice little clean in here, just all the countertops. I'm going to do the floors. I cleaned out the sink, all of that kind of stuff before we go ahead and decorate, because I'm sure you're like me, I cannot decorate a room unless it is clean.
I don't even know what to get in your head.
So next, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys all the decor that I got to do the decorating in this video. But halfway through decorating my kitchen, I ran to Dollar General to get a few more things. So I will tell you guys about that when I go ahead and decorate with those items in a little bit. But the first items I picked up were these 2 dish towels from Target. I got this one with the gray on it to go ahead and match like the island, because the island is gray as well. This one I got just the plain yellow and white for the dishwasher. This wreath I got from Hobby Lobby. I think it was like $5 to $10. This wreath I got from Target, and again, I think this was very inexpensive, and I absolutely love this wreath. I'm going to go ahead and pick up another one because it's really, really cute. This candle I got from Marshall's. It is a pineapple and like vanilla scent. It smells really, really good. That was only $7.99 for a candle, which is a really good price. Next, I got this little planter from Marshall's as well. This was $10, and I love like the simple greenery in it. It's not too much, and it just matches my house perfectly, the white and the greenery and the wood. This next item I got from Target. I have another one of these in my laundry room. If you guys have saw that video, you guys will notice that one. Next, I got this little bowl from Hobby Lobby, and when I was at Hobby Lobby, everything was 50% off. So all of the decor I got for super, super inexpensive. I picked up these little cups. I think they ended up being like $2 each, and they just went with the theme really perfectly. Next, I got some lemons from Target. It came in a box of 12 for I think maybe under $15. Then I got this pitcher from Target. This was $15 as well. This wreath you guys have seen before. I got 2 of them from Macy's. I'm going to use this one in my kitchen. And then I got these little eucalyptus, I don't know how to say that word, but those little guys from Target, and then these little stems from Target as well with the lemons on them, and those were only $5.99 or $4.99. I can't really see while I'm doing this, but the last thing I got was this table runner that I'm super excited about. This was from Target, and it just has the little lemons on it. I thought it was perfect for the summertime and the theme that I'm going with. So this is everything that I have to decorate with. Now I'm going to start with the decorating process, and the first thing I wanted to do was hang up a wreath. I went back and forth between 2 of them. You'll see me hang up the first one, and I ended up going with the second one. And then I ended up going to Dollar General and getting something for the wreath. So I'll show you guys that towards the end. Actually, I might have it like right after these clips. I'm not sure if I waited till the end to show you or right now, but you guys will see either way. I thought this wreath was really pretty up here, but I feel like it wasn't enough for the window. And I added these lemons to like a little dish that I had in my kitchen that I got from our wedding. I have no idea what it's used for, but it worked perfectly for what I wanted it to. So I switched out this wreath, and it's a lot more fuller, and I think it fits the window more perfectly. But I am struggling so hard with keeping the wreaths up. Like, I got those hooks from Dollar General, and they're the ones with the metal, and they say they can hold up to 3 pounds, but my wreaths keep falling off all of my windows. So if you guys have any suggestions, please help me down below, because I literally cannot keep my wreaths up in my house. I have no idea what I'm doing wrong. But next, I'm moving over here to the island, and I'm just putting this bowl and a candle and this little glass jar that has lemons on it. I usually fill that up with ice water in the morning, and then I just fill my cup up with that throughout the day. And I also got this trick from my good friend Amy Fritz. She did like a lemon kitchen decorate me, and that's where I got all of my inspiration from. But she was adding yellow lemons to a yellow bowl, and she added some greenery to them. So I got that idea from her. I will have her link down in the description box because her videos are so, so good. You guys have to go watch her Summer Clean and Decorate with me. It is so good. But now I'm just going ahead and adding some lemons throughout the kitchen. So this would not be a clean and decorate with me if I didn't do some oils. I'm diffusing peppermint, lemon, and orange, and this is the perfect summer scent. If you guys have not tried this yet, I highly recommend it because it just gives off a fruity scent, and it just smells so, so good. I absolutely love this recipe. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add this little plant that I got from Dollar General. This was $4, and I picked up the yellow one to go ahead and match the theme in my kitchen, and I absolutely love it. It's so cute. Next, we're going to go ahead and move over to the table, clear it off, wipe it down with the Method wood cleaner, and then do some simple decorating over here. So I also got this idea from Amy as well because she has a ton of white vases in her home with some greenery, and I just absolutely love how she decorates. So I had to do that for this summer clean and decorate with me. I just added the lemon plant and the greenery in that white pitcher, and it made the table look so simple, and I was so excited to switch it up on top of the table. Next, I went ahead and hung that wreath that I got from Target, and I moved the table over so it was centered with the window, and I think it looks really, really good. And this is the wreath that I got that I hung up, and I got the little piece from Dollar General. This is how the kitchen turned out. I absolutely love it. I love how simple it is. I love how it has the pop of yellows and green, and it matches the pink, and my kitchen just looks so nice for summer. I'm so excited to keep this up until we go ahead and decorate for the fall. But I absolutely love how that wreath turned out, even though it keeps falling. You guys, if you guys have any ideas, please help me out. I also forgot to mention that in this video, I was giving a lemonade recipe. So it would not be a lemon summer decorate with me if we didn't make some homemade lemonade. This recipe is super, super easy. I have the recipe down below, but all it is 1 cup of boiling water, and then you add 1 cup of sugar to it, and it makes like a syrup that you add to the lemonade. And then you're going to go ahead and take 8 cups of cold water, put some ice. You're going to add 1 cup of lemon juice. I used like freshly squeezed lemons for that. And then you're going to go ahead and mix that all together, and that is your lemonade. Let me know if you guys make this. Tag me on Instagram at Carlie Hetrick. This lemonade was so, so good. I think I made it at 10 o'clock in the morning, and by 2 o'clock it was gone. My husband like drank the entire pitcher of it. It was crazy. But you can always add like more sugar or more lemon to it. You can play around with the recipe. You can add strawberries. I did that. I added some strawberry syrup because I am obsessed with like strawberry pink lemonade. But I hope you guys enjoyed this summer clean and decorate with me. If you guys did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down below what your favorite part of the decorating was, or if you are decorating your house for summer as well. But I just went ahead and added this lemonade to these cute little jars that I got from Hobby Lobby. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys!